Hey there, fellow traders. Welcome back to Insider Financial. I'm Alex Carlson, and today we will discuss our game plan for tomorrow. But before we dive in, to get our market moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get our alerts, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, it'd be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And after you sign up, you'll get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free service from insiderfinancial.com. We don't run any paid subscription service whatsoever, no Discord rooms or Telegram chat groups. And some of these stocks are making big moves pre-market. If you want to trade from 4 a.m. to 8 p.m., click our referral link in the description, register, open a new account, deposit, and claim 6 to 12 free stocks. So we think that's a great promotion. Check it out, guys. Well, guys, we are bullish here at Insider Financial, and we think that the small cap rally will continue into the new year. Just look at the winners that I've been putting on your radar. If you've been watching our videos, they're all up here on our videos. First up was RDHL. I covered it last night. Today, it was up 128%. I mean, gave you an opportunity all day. Opened at $1.18, dipped down just 2 cents to $1.16. And rallied all the way to $2.79. So it was banking all day long. What I'm trying to do here with our videos is give you guys a watch list. Play green, not red. We are not dip buying small caps. You want to dip buy small caps. That's how you become a bag holder. That's the last thing that you want to happen. And RDHL, we're not in love with this stock. It is a trade. It is a day trade, swing trade, good for the next couple of days. You want to buy something long term. Again, none of this is financial advice. Go buy an ETF, SPY, FANG. If you really, you want to get into individual names, NVIDIA, Tesla, Netflix, Meta, Microsoft, Apple. There's plenty of good companies out there that you're not going to go broke. Small caps, it's a completely different game, and you cannot fall in love with any of these plays. But RDHL is running, the FDA granted 5 years market exclusivity for Talicia under the Generating Antibiotic Incentives Now Act Qualified Infectious Disease Program designation. The company said in a statement the other night, the grant is on top of the 3 years exclusivity, which came with the approval of Talicia. Talicia is indicated for the treatment of an infection in adults, which is a common type of bacterial infection that attacks the lining in the stomach. The company said Talicia is protected by its broad intellectual property suite to 2034. ESGL was another one I talked about last night. Just a 1.7 million float. The company on Monday announced a multi-year contract renewal with Singapore Refinery Company Private Limited. On November 15th, Environmental Solutions, ESGL, a wholly owned subsidiary of ESGL, renewed its used catalyst disposal contract with SRC. Under the contract, ESGL will continue to provide used catalyst waste disposal services to CRC through December 31st, 2025. CDT, no news, but I talked about this one last night. So we got the rounding bottom that looked attractive. Nice jump up in volume, so definitely people were paying attention. But we're going to run into some resistance here. The 50-day moving average at 348, and then we got the 200-day at 867. So we clear $4. I think we're going to spike pretty quick, and then we have this gap to close here. FTCH, Farfetch. I talked about this one in the Sunday night video. I said it was a short squeeze play. We got the news that the founder is looking to take the company private. Got lucky here. I'd rather be lucky than anything else when it comes to markets. 14% of the float is short, so nice timing here. Stock also closed at 210, trading higher in the after hours on the takeover chatter. CDIO ran right into the resistance at $3 that I was talking about. I said we're consolidating here. I don't really like this candle here, but again, if we hold today's low of 229, we closed at 239, we break 229, we're going lower. So again, if you are in this one, use a trailing stop. I talked about this one earlier this month. It's been a big runner, a big winner for us here at Insider Financial. So again, always use trailing stops on a lot of these plays. If you want to protect your gains, you don't want a winner to turn into a loser. SoFi, really great chart here, climbing off the lows here. Nice steady climb, up 4% today. Going to run into some resistance here. We clear 750. I think we're going to go back to 8 and then test the new 52-week highs. ARMN up 4% today. Talked about this one. This is a longer term play. Talked about this one last night. Gold prices 2065, so gold is rising. This is a Colombian gold miner, and as I said last night, what I really like about ARMN is just the board of directors. You got Ian Telfer as the chairman, former founder CEO of Gold Corp, sold that company. You got Frank Justra as strategic advisor. There's just a lot of things going right. This is a great junior miner to keep on your radar screen. And as I said, it's a longer term play. Lucid LCID, talked about this one in Sunday night video. Looks to have bottomed, up 5% today. I think this is a good speculative play down here. Risk reward looks attractive. So we'll put this one on your radar screen. New stocks that I'm watching for tomorrow. First up is YOSH, just a 4.6 million share float. A lot of chatter on social media. The chart looks prime for a move. The company put out news the other day, or Monday, entered into an asset purchase agreement to acquire 3 Las Vegas restaurants. This is it's a California-based restaurant operator specializing in authentic Japanese ramen. So this is one of the few pure play restaurants plays in Japanese ramen. So this is gaining. The company says it gained recognition as leading ramen restaurant in Southern California within 6 months of its 2016 debut, and it has continued to expand its top-notch restaurant service across Southern California. Currently owning and operating 9 restaurants, so it's expanding, moving into Las Vegas. That is a smart move and good timing on YOSH part. Next up is Gamestop. Stock is up 13%, trading even higher in the after hours. Investors are starting to prep for its earnings report next week. The video game seller is expected to report revenue of $1.1 billion and an EPS loss of 8 cents. The company reported a narrow profit with its earnings report issued in January, but followed that with losses in the next 2 quarters. The earnings release next week will be the first since Ryan Cohen took over as CEO. Cohen, he has plans for extreme frugality, may consider investments in cloud gaming and virtual reality, as well as partnerships with gaming industry players. The read-through is that Cohen's e-commerce and customer service expertise positions him as a potential promising GameStop leader amid the significant challenges in adapting to the changing gaming industry landscape. Cohen, he's a billionaire, founder of Chewy, so that's where his e-commerce expertise comes in. The stock has slid about 44% over the last 6 months and trade below their 200-day moving average. So we're below both the 50 and the 200-day moving average. And short interest on the stock is currently at 22.4% of the total float. So again, definitely this is the original meme stock. Let's see if they can squeeze the shorts next week on the back of a good earnings report. All eyes will be on it. Next up is STEM. This one here looks to have bottomed. 28% of the float is short. Lot of upside I see is this one here. for those of you that don't know, I highly go and recommend reading up on STEM. I'm getting ready to put together a report on this. I think this one here is another longer term swing play that I think has significant upside from these levels. Lastly, guys, is SPB. This is a higher price name, but one I want to put on your radar screen at 67.88. The reason being is it sold off on earnings, bottomed here at 65, but it's the insider buying. The CEO, he came in and bought at 66.41 and 67.03, both $1.3 million buys. So $2.6 million he put on the line here on this earnings sell-off. So that is a significant buy. PE looks extremely cheap, just a $2.4 billion market cap, trading at 15 times next year earnings, 1.5 times this year earnings. PEG 0.08, extremely cheap. Price times sales 0.82 times. These are all green. Price times book, price times cash. I mean 1.29. It's let's see here. We got $52.60 in cash per share on the balance sheet. The stock is a 2.53% dividend. So there's a lot to like about this company. Again, this is a longer term play that I'd be putting on my radar screen. And here at Insider Financial, what we do is we put stocks on your radar with potential outsized moves. As I repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities in the markets daily. The important thing is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We are looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding the momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at Insider Financial. And to get our small cap reports, we cover low floats, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks, and insider buying. Click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. And again, if I see anything pre-market, it's very easy for me to shoot out a quick text. So again, if you sign up with your email, make sure you sign up also with your mobile number. That is the fastest way to get our alerts. And again, no spam. Your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at insiderfinancial.com and unsubscribe. Remember, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for joining me today on Insider Financial. Hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell to never miss the latest insights and strategies. Until next time, happy trading. This is Alex Carlson signing off. Bye-bye.